So that's basically all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you for the next video. See you. Hello, how are you doing? It's Amin another time with you, and this time it will be about data structures in Python. So we will go to have normal lists right here, and for example, if we want to append to add an element to this list, we would append it this way. We can do it also with another way. It would be to append an element with the slicing of the list we have seen before. And if we slice after the length of A, we can add the elements after the slice. We can also use the extend method. We can add the list to a list. Here we would add an element, and here is to extend the list with another list. Forward, extend, actually there is a difference between extend and append. If we take, for example, if we do an append here, we will have a nested list, which is different than the flattened list here in extend. In here we can also append extend lists this way using the slicing comprehension. We can also insert an element at the index 0, we will insert 10, so at index 0 insert 10, or we can remove an element by its value. Here we remove elements by the value 2, yeah, the element that has the value 2. Here we have the pop function. It pops the last elements of the list and returns it also returns the elements. If it pops it can return it here. So here you can see that it pops the 3 and returns the 3. And we have the A. And also we can pop 1, for example, and it will pop the elements by the index, by the identifier, or by the ID here, which is 1 is 2 that pops out. Next forward would be the clear. So this one will clear the list. Okay, I will just maybe clear the outputs. Clear. We have also delete the list, so it's the same as clear. So it's not delete A here. We have to be cautious. If we do a delete A, it's something else. Here we delete we clear the content of the list, but if we delete A, we'll delete the whole variable A, and we'll have name error. A is not defined. Next will be to get the index of 2, would be 1, so it gets an index by the value. If we have 2, it will get the index of the first one. We can count the number of ones. Here we can see how many ones we have. We count the count function, and here we can reverse the list, and we have a list reverse. There is also a function, a way to do it with the slices. And we do it this way. So use a usual way to do it, to reverse the list. We can copy the list in B. There we can copy it this way, either by a.copy or by copying the contents of the list. But if we do something like this, B equal to A, okay, we have B, we have A. So if we change B, B 1, 2, if we change B, we will have B like this, and A like this. So we can also copy it like this without changing the value of A.